Hi, so this is the second video in my PIC assembly tutorials. I'm going to show you how to upload a program onto the microchip. So we've got the project open as of last time, so Blinky1, but now we're going to program it. So I'm using the PICkit2 programmer there with the program adapter there. And I've got my little circuit built up ready to take the chip. So if we, first things first actually, we've got a USB connection connected in there. Then we connect the programmer to the program adapter. If you look, the red wire is connected to the arrow, and then that is connected to VPP on the program adapter, and then they're all in order. So basically all I had to do was twist the cable around. Obviously when you buy these you don't get any instructions. So that's now connected. So we want to program the chip. So we then select our programmer, which I'm doing here, PICkit2. Oh, I did have the debugger running, so now that is connected. So the PICkit2 is ready. So I need to take my chip and put it in the ZIF socket. So this is the chip, and I put it this way round with pin 1 here, and then close it up. So that's now connected in, and all we need to do is go to Programmer and click Program, and that's done. That is all you need to do. So there we remove our chip, and now we'll put it in. So I need to turn it around. Not easy one-handed. Alright, so that's pressed in the socket. Now I've got my power supply set up about 4.5 volts. So turn that on, and that will be circuit running. So you can see the asymmetrical delay. So the green LEDs run for a bit longer. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to try it with an external oscillator. So this is the internal oscillator running at 8 megahertz. So I'll try a slower and a faster external oscillator and change the configuration word accordingly. Thanks for watching.